Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to block international calls on iPhone 2024. So if you want to block a single international number, then you have to go to that number. So click on this phone icon, then you'll find here this international number. All you have to just click on the I button, which is right corner. Click on this and then scroll down and you'll find here block caller. Click on block caller and click on block contact. This contact has been blocked. Now if you want to block all international numbers that no one can call you from international numbers, so all you have to do is you have to click on settings. Now scroll down till you find phone. If you find phone, click on this phone and then scroll down and you'll find here this silence unknown callers. Click on this and choose toggle this button on. Now all of the unknown calls, including national or international, all will be blocked. Okay, so this is how you can do this. Sorry, not blocked, but it will be silenced. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.